Hi guys, Hypno here. Today I will have another unboxing my Samsung wireless charger. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. I just removed my name from the packaging, but let's see what's inside. Okay, that must be delivery receipt. Yeah, we don't need that. And box in the box, like a Russian dolls. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a dual charger itself. Okay, pretty cool. Glad that it's flat. I had the previous one with the stand on it, so yeah, I'm glad this is the flat one. Okay, and the charger. Okay, yep. Okay, charger, power adapter, the cable. Oh, quite a long one. Yeah, pretty nice. And obviously quick strike right there. Definitely I don't need that. And that's it. So yeah, we'll see. It looks pretty promising. So one side to charge the phone or the watch, and the one for the phones. Cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.